Hey guys, you're here for another installment from Force 15. This is update 14 on Cyclone Fantala as of 1930 local time, 1530 UTC. Storm's located at 9.2 degrees south and 49.4 degrees east with winds of 165 miles per hour and air pressure of 914 millibars, movement west-northwest at 10 miles per hour. So the storm's now weakening, peaked at 175 miles per hour. And is now weakening as it's passing north tip of Madagascar as we speak. I do still have a warning in effect, Category 5 cyclone warning in effect for the northern tip of Madagascar, and also Mauritius and Reunion should be watching out the progress of this system as it develops, because there is still a possibility for a possible major landfall on Reunion, but also with the forecast at the moment could actually double back on itself and head towards Madagascar, making a second approach to Madagascar. So here is the intensity forecast: plus 12, 160, 917 millibars, plus 24, 150 miles per hour, 925 millibars, plus 36, 130 miles per hour, 933 millibars, plus 48, 120 miles per hour, 945 millibars, plus 72, 105 miles per hour, 969 millibars, plus 96, 90 miles per hour, 982 millibars, and up to 120, 75 miles per hour, 985 millibars. Locations: plus 12, 9.8 south, 49.6 east, plus 24, 10.0 south, 50.0 east, plus 36, 11.0 south, 51.0 east, plus 48, 12.8 south, 52.4 east, plus 72, 14.3 south, 55.0 east, plus 96, 15.6 south, 56.0 degrees east, plus 120, 18.0 degrees south, 58.8 degrees east. So here is now the forecast track from 6 Zulu this morning from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre, and the storm is expected to curve around, heading back towards Madagascar, possibly as I said about the models as well. That could be the start of the doubling back on itself. If you check out the GFS model, I'll put all the links on that in the description below. Models aren't included in this update. So yes, interesting story developing as we speak. So here is the satellite imagery for Cyclone Fantala. This is the visible imagery. This is a little bit outdated. This is from 12 UTC, approximately about 3.5 hours ago. So it's a little bit outdated now. So yes. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below. There's the rainbow imagery there for Cyclone Fantala. The cloud tops have been dwindling slightly. You see a little bit more weakening in the eye wall there, and a bit more weakening up towards the north of the system. That's I think there's been a sort of unsuccessful eye wall replacement. There's the Dvorak, still T7 on the Dvorak scale. You can see they're just about holding on to T7 in the south part of that system, but once it drops T7 it'll be down to a category 4, and you should see the eyes dwindling as well. And see as well on this one, the storm is weakening from the last few frames. If we look back slightly earlier, if you guys want to check out the latest advisory and also the satellite imagery, you can check out RAM. That will also, all the useful links will be in the description below, so you guys can take a look at that. And see here the RB top imagery, and it's been dwindling. The storm looked better earlier today. Storm has now been dwindling. The water vapor imagery, not really water vapor, dry air, not really a problem for the system. So it's not it's just, I think, the dwindling conditions and stuff now as well. So yes, if you guys also have any other questions, put them in the comments below. There's the sea surface temperature maps there, and sea surface temperature is not a problem, though I do believe there has been an increase in wind shear, which we'll see in just a moment. That could be also a contributing factor to Cyclone Fantala's weakening. Though we'll have to see how this all plays out. So yes. So here you go, guys. See the wind shear maps? Not really a problem actually. It's decreased slightly, but I believe the southern part of the system is in a higher shear area, so that could have contributed to the Fantala's weakening slightly. We'll have to see how all the situation plays out. I am possibly forecasting for re-intensification. My intensity forecast was just under the assumption of that the storm, like the best case scenario really. So I'll reiterate the update one last time. This is update 14 on Cyclone Fantala as of 19:30 local time over Fantala, 15:30 UTC. The storm's location at 9.2 degrees south, 49.4 degrees east, with winds of 165 miles per hour and a pressure of 914 millibars, a category 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Movement west-northwest at 10 miles per hour. Anyway, that's all from me now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.